I don't know about you guys, but this kind of looks like a huge mistake to me. I don't know why you would do this instead of just making the regular ramen. Banana, grapefruit, lettuce, walnuts, and mayonnaise. Well, that's some watery mac and cheese, man. Okay, let's get it over with. Oh, look at this stuff. It's nasty. I don't know about the pudding, you guys. Mayonnaise. I would eat this over here. I would eat this over here. This right here is gonna give me some problems. I feel like if I put another color on top of it, it's just going to turn brown. Honestly, lettuce, mayonnaise, and walnuts, that doesn't sound like a horrible combination, but when you mix the fruit, I don't know, something about citrus and mayo, plop, Oh, the mashed potatoes look so sad. This is one of the most bizarre things I've ever eaten. Have you ever thought to yourself, man, the s'more is good, but I sure wish I was crunching on some ramen noodles instead? You might be able to put these in a bag and sell them. I mean, you'd sell them as cheapo candy, not as a high-end candy, but I don't know, I might eat them. Look at the potatoes, though. Look at these things. Oh, oh my God, we gotta like stir. Do I have to eat that in my mouth? I almost feel like I'm gonna have to get new mayo after this. Like, it's just weird how firm they get. How do they firm up like that? Oh, these aren't potatoes. This is supposed to be pudding. I thought there were potatoes at first. I'll be honest, I like mayo. I love a good mayo on my sandwich. This
is a bad mayo.
Surely this magic color changing pudding is healthy, right? I mean, it's magic. Magic is healthy. It's time for the fun part. Are you guys ready for the fun part? Oh, looks like I blended up a Smurf. Don't feed your children this. Bottoms up. Ooh. Ah.